Hey everyone, I'm Scott Sery, the founder of Know to Grow, where I take you from having no idea how to make money without a boss to growing that idea so that you can live life on your terms. Just a quick side note, today I'm wearing my Beartooth Metal Roofing hat. If you're in the Billings area and you need the highest quality metal roof that's going to last half a century, you need to talk to these guys. It's a shameless plug for a friend. I'm not being compensated for this. Okay, so over the summer, I was out running quite a bit. I'm not a runner. I don't really find a lot of joy in running, but as I get older, I've found that I have to make exercise a bit more intentional. I'm active and I do a lot throughout my day, but working as a writer, I can tend to be a bit more sedentary than I'd like. So, in order to get in shape and stay in shape for those things that I love to do, I had to go for jogs in the morning. And I can get into my jogging routine in another video because I think it's a great way to live life how you want to live it. But the point is that when I'm running, it's like super boring. Just mile after mile of footsteps on pavement. Plenty to think about, and I've actually come up with some really cool ideas while I'm running, but I immediately forget them because I'm in the middle of a run and I can't write them down. So I usually download books and I'll listen to those books while I run. One of them at the end of the summer was called You Are a Badass by Jen Sincero. It's a great book. It's all about the power in believing in yourself. And too many people just take what life hands them and then they just bitch and moan about how hard life is. It's one of those reasons I absolutely hate the phrase, adulting is hard. No, it's not hard. You make it hard because you refuse to build the life you love. So, in this book, there's a section about money. And this section hit me pretty hard because I've been raised to believe that wanting money is bad and we should just be content with what we have. And I've struggled to overcome this self-limiting belief because yes, I'm content, but I'll also be content making $1 million a month. So the book gets into quite a bit more. I suggest you download it, listen to it, read it, however you want to consume it. But it talked about how you have to manifest the money you want to make. Now, I don't really like the word manifest because to me that implies just conjuring money up out of nothing. And that's just stupid. You can't just think it into being. But I also have a little bit of a wrong definition going on there. The point is that if you want something, you think about it all the time. And then you work hard to get to it. If I want to climb Granite Peak, I think about it, I plan for it, I train my body, and then I go climb the mountain. But when it comes to money, I'll often just think, I'd like a little bit more money. But then in reality, if I want to be rich, I need to think about being rich and I need to get in shape to be rich. So Sincero talks about keeping money at the top of mind. And it suggests 2 books on getting more money. One is the book The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace Wattles. And the other is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now, both of these books were written about 100 years ago, maybe a little bit longer, and so there's a little bit of archaic language used there. But both of the books make great points, and reading them keeps this idea that you can be rich, you deserve to be rich, and you should shape your life in such a way that getting rich happens because you're constantly looking for those ways to make yourself rich. Being rich is easy. You just have to think about it. Well, that's the first step anyway. You also have to apply yourself and be constantly making those decisions that will lead you to that rich life that you deserve, that you want, and that you need. And I can help you with some of those steps. If you've watched this far, you've probably decided that you want to be rich. Money's a tool, and you deserve a lot of tools. You should be rich, you can be rich, and I will help you get rich. The way I do that is honing in on those sweet ideas that you have so that they can be turned into money makers. To get started, just go over and sign up for Know to Grow at www.knowtogrow.com. It's linked right there in the description. Just click on the button, sign up for free. From there, I'll teach you how to develop your skills into something people will pay for. And then you can take that and live a rich life on your own terms.